guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a pet in Widgetable. So here I am currently on Widgetable. So already in the other video, I've taught you how to use this app. And the good thing about this one feature that we look forward to when downloading this app is getting pets. And as you can see here, like it starts off with eggs. And you can get these eggs through the shop where you might need to use money or get them as prizes from other events or just a reward from the app itself. So as you can see, I'm now hatching this egg and you need to wait for an entire day in order to have your egg hatched. But you can also do other things such as watching an ad or get this free 6 hours boost, or even buy pro so that it'll immediately get the egg hatch. And the other cool thing that you can do is clicking on this wish button, which isn't free, but you get it first when it's just the first time you're hatching an egg, and you'll be able to choose from 3 of your preferred pets to be the ones that will hatch out of this egg. So that's it. That's how you'll be able to get an egg on Widgetable. Just wait. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.